Almost hit him.
We'll leave that in the way. I think we might need more bubbles.
I think so too.
Go get it!
Calvin.
Go get it. Still wrong. That could be picked up too.
Yeah.
What's that?
There you go, Calvin.
Oh.
Daddy.
Do another one, Daddy.
Okay.
You might want to get a little bit more juice on there, big shooter.
Too hard, you know. Too. You do it too slow. Gently.
There you go, Calvin. You're missing the big ones Daddy's doing.